Hi, in this video I will show you how to slow down the Instagram Reels. So if you want to slow down your Instagram Reels, simply you have to follow this procedure. The process is very simple. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, now you have to select the reels or click on your story from the left top. Once you will do it, now you will see you have to select the reels from here, and on the left menu you will see on the left you will see a time option. Simply you have to tap on it, and here you will see different speeds. Simply you have to select the highest speed like 5x from here to slow down your reel video of the Instagram. So if you want to slow down any of your Instagram reel, you can simply follow this procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.